morning, all you beautiful people. It was a cold one last night, as everybody knows. Here in Tennessee, we got down to 30 degrees, which could be a nice frost for us. So I covered up some of my vegetables, and I'll show you what I covered them with and see how they fared. So this was like an insulated plastic that we had gotten. Looks good. I had my beans under there and they look pretty good. Let's see there. Yeah. So that worked well. And my cilantro is good, and my lettuce is good, doing good. So that was like insulated plastic. You can see inside here that I got, that I saved. That my husband said, no, you don't need that. And I'm like, yeah, I could use it for something. Yeah, I'm one of those. Sorry for that. But I didn't have more than that one thing. So I'll show you what else I covered my potatoes with. Here outside in the back area, I have potatoes, and I just covered them. This is a twin sheet. And you can see that there's still some frost damage on there, unfortunately. With the twin sheet, it got cold enough. So I don't know if we're gonna have potatoes this year. So, I mean, what I need to do now is water them really well. I watered them yesterday, but make sure that you water your stuff really well. And maybe I'll use that plastic over here on the potatoes tomorrow or tonight, because we're going to have another cold one tonight. But that's kind of disappointing that a sheet didn't work. Everybody says a sheet works. So there's your answer on that. It worked a little bit on some things, but not all of it. I'll show you again up close what frost damage looks like on potato leaves. Sorry, I'm getting a lot of wind here. You can see there where it's purple along the edge, and it's just really limp. So that's the frost damage. This one got really bad. These ones weren't covered at all, and these are a little frost damaged, not too bad. And then the ones deeper in were okay. So one more quick thing, make sure you uncover what you covered at night, because the warmth will help it during the day. If it gets above freezing, uncover it. If it's below freezing, keep it covered. I probably started the potatoes way too late in the season, but I had some. I figured, why not try? But I'll use the plastic on them tonight and use the sheet on the beans. So since they seem to be a little more frost hardy than the potatoes. So we will water those all, and that will help them recover a little bit better, but those leaves that are purple are probably gone for sure. So anyways, thank you for watching my little experiment and seeing if it really works, if you cover it with a sheet and stuff like that. And God bless and have a great day. We will see you next time on Hedgehog's Homestead. Bye.